Look at this guy. Look at this guy over there. He thinks he's so cool. Huh?
Two-step that shit.
Oh, you want me to just two-step it on a flyby, bro? Am I crazy?
My mind's telling me no. My mind's telling me no.
You know we got the masks on. Oh, see, I need to get one of these for work. Get all the dookie flying out. So we're about to get. I need batteries because you can't really see. You can see this, but the wireless mic I have needs batteries. Hello. I'm doing good. Where's your batteries? AA. Oh, you got them up front. Okay.
I don't think it doesn't work in the camera.
Huh?
No working. You use a camera?
Yeah, I use the camera. You ever watch OnlyFans? No. Robin Big, if you ever want to look it up. So, thanks. Robin Big. She definitely knew what OnlyFans is. She's like,
She didn't want her mom to know.
she's like, what? I have one. Like, yeah, I'm geeking. Robin Big. Yeah, why is his neck like?
Testing. 1, 2, 3. ASMR. Poop and pee. Bars. Like a jail cell. Camel toes. Let that hand smell. Pretty sure this works now. You just gotta get it clipped on. First things first, you guys have to stop being lame and go cop some merch. Just kidding. I need like a, what's that called? A designer or graphic designer? I need like a graphic. If any of you guys are graphic designers, hit me up on my Instagram because I'm trying to get some new merch. And yeah, I want to get some new designs going on because I'm not really good at that. I can edit videos and stuff, but I just can't do the merch things. Appreciate ya. And then you look like this guy.
You look like a douchebag.
Hey. You have your mask on. You have your mask on. You have your mask on. You're driving. Yeah. I just want to let you know. He's like, wait, what? Yes. I drive. The particles come in my face. Ooh. Okay. Those M3 sound good though.
Hell yeah, I want to buy one of those.
No, last one. No, last one. She's not trying to pay me any type of mind. she's a Karen. Oh. Whoa. Woo. You crazy. You crazy. You
chick. She's wildin'.
You wild. Chill. What are you doing?
In the wrong lane.
Right. What are you doing? Stop. We almost died. We have big ass glasses. Y'all flinched. Alright y'all, so we're here at the dealership trying to pick out one of our new whips here. You know what I'm saying? We got the Land Rover, got the AMG GTS. I wonder if we'll run them out. So damn, that shit got mad damage. We just want to have a little bit of damage. $10, 100 pounds. I'm about 69 pounds, so I could definitely probably get into one of the cars. Damn, she's just kicking it around like it's just nothing. Excuse me. So I'm about like 69 pounds. Can I get in the car?
9 pounds?
Yeah.
You're not 69 pounds.
Do you have a scale that I could use? Or
Hard, but it's not for rent.
it's not. It's this one right here.
No.
What's the 0 to 60 on it? You know?
What do you mean?
Like 0 miles per hour to 60 miles an hour. Like what? Do you know like what the 0 to 60 is or?
I'm not really sure. Do you want a car?
Do they pop wheelies or?
No, they don't.
Are you sure?
You want a car?
I just want to like just drive around and like.
Recording?
No. This is a PS5.
I don't want to be in
Yeah,
that.
it's actually for my OnlyFans. So I just wanted to know if I can get a car though.
Please don't. Please blur my face. I don't want to be in that.
Mask on.
I don't.
But this is a PS5 though, so it doesn't. It's actually a game. Like it's like virtual reality, and it scans you. So, but yeah. So are we good? Okay.
Is this where the OnlyFans meet is? The OnlyFans meet?
They were looking at you like, is he speaking English?
You know you have your mask on, right? Yeah.
You rolled this window up.
It's on green. Bro, we totally got him, bro. Yo, we dusted him. Sorry.
Hey.
That was like a weapon. What a weapon.
Yo, he is. It's a chick? Is that a chick? Yo.
Some epoxy or some shit. Hey, if you guys know anybody that can mold something over this so we can get those Euro style lights, that'd be kind of cool. But we're here at Otto's house, you know? We got it's got the race car here. This guy's fixing my trunk. If you guys didn't know, I haven't shown this because I was quite embarrassed. I had to add that there, quite embarrassed. But so this thing, long story short, short story long, I messed up, but everything still looks all right. So we're gonna try to get this popped out as much and then maybe make it not look as shitty. So hopefully this guy works the magic. You got an Instagram or anything?
Yeah.
What is
It's
it?
at MST410, and that's MSTE410.
So if you guys are in like the DMV area, you need any type of body work, he could definitely hook you up, and he's got some good prices. Hell no, you fitting this?
Make these new cars. No, it's not bad.
For real?
Like, I didn't even adjust the seat.
That's crazy. I didn't know it was that big inside. You got it started though. Nice. You said just the trans is messed up? Yeah. What happens if you rev it up? She's got to warm up.
This old we used to race New York because that's all we could afford is Hondas.
Hondas are cool though. Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you. So this is what the Carnage looks like without the bumper. Looks like someone just used a huge cock and just rammed it in my fucking car. That looks a lot worse now that you actually take a look at it. Not too terrible though. Sounds like Jumanji. keep that metronome going. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Alrighty guys, so we got it the best we could. We think the culprit now, we got it to latch, but we think it's the actual latch is not latching, so it's a lot of latches in one sentence. But we're probably gonna go to the junkyard and find a new one or used, whatever. But it looks way better. You can't even tell. Can't even tell now. That's crazy. Like, it's like night and day difference. He did a great job. Like I said, go follow him on Insties, because if you're in the DMV area, you guys can get some stuff done if you need it. And then he'll look at that. Yeah. Even the you don't even see the dent. Right? What happened? Nothing. Nothing. What's your name again? Steve.
MSTE410 is my Instagram handle.
Dude, you're freaking weird, bro. It's like, this cat's really weird. He has like this trick, right? Come on, Otto. Give him a little love. Who else has a cat that likes this? Now stop. He's gonna be like, give me more. He's a weirdo. He looks fake though. That is crazy. Oh, we did it, boy! Just needed the bumper just needed to be on. What the fuck? Hold on. We just sat here for like 2 hours, literally trying to figure this.
No hands.
Hold, no hands. No hands. Bruh, we did it. My man. Look at him. He got a smile.
Hey.
Hell yeah. Thanks, man. Alright, well, it's getting late. We've been out here in the cold, freezing our buns off all night long.
Hard and whatnot.
I want to say shout out to my buddy Safe. That sounds like some German. Safe. And then Justin. So I'm joking. Mike. We got Mike and then Otto. Otto, he fixed his exhaust too. So if you guys need any little welds, you know what I'm saying, you can come over to the crib and well, you can hit me up first because like I don't want just random people coming up here. That'd be kind of weird. Like, who's this guy? Yo. But yeah, we got it to work. I think that was it. We just need the bumper on. It's like blowing my mind right now.
Yeah, it's weird.
That was the magic touch. That's crazy. That is crazy
now too.
Yeah, it doesn't
right.
even fucking have that
My man's did a great job. I'm like super proud of this guy. I think I might cry.
All you gotta do is he coming around. Yeah, he coming around. He coming around. Yo, say what's up. There's YouTube.
Yo,
tell him send it. Tell him send it.
Yo, that shit right there, my nigga. He about to send that shit. Everybody about to turn in. I already know how this shit about to go. Cause he turned my motherfucking in.
Come right here in the water. Let's fucking go! Yes, sir! Let's fucking go! You good, you good.
I want a Hellcat with the top back, so these bitches can see what they missing. I ain't been to hell yet, but I pray for forgiveness, cause I know a nigga been sinning. And she got the mad shot, so whenever she walks with a God, I be wishing I'm in the shot.